lemon, lemon, citron, citrus, lemon. I don't know why I'm saying it like that, but I'm super excited because today we are talking about lemon essential oil, and this is one of my favorite essential oils. It's clean, it's crisp, it's delicious smelling, it just makes you feel happy. It's like uppers in a bottle. Boom, lemon. So this lemon actually comes from Italy. That's where it is sourced. Welcome back to my channel, The Oily Mommy here, and today we are talking all about lemon essential oil. Oh. Yes. Okay, so cold pressed from the rind is how this oil is distilled, which is so cool. So if you have never smelled lemon essential oil, if you're brand new to oils and you haven't yet opened that bottle, remember the best way that you can use your essential oil is going to be to open that bottle. You just have to open the bottle. Oh, it smells so good. But if you have never experienced it, or maybe you're just on the fence, like, should I even get this oil? Should I try this oil? Yes, you should, but this is the experience. You're driving to Oxnard Beach in California, and you are in the citrus orchards, basically. You're just driving along the highway and all you see is just citrus trees on either side of you, and you have your convertible top down on your car, and it's like red or pink or white or sky blue, and you're listening to your favorite tunes, and you just smell that citrus coming off of that already wonderful ocean breeze. Okay? That's what it smells like. It smells like happy. Smells like amazing. Okay. Fun fact about citrus oils, they are actually nature's uppers. They do make us feel happy and uplifted. And if you can tell, I've already kind of huffed on this oil a few times. So I'm talking faster than normal, and I'm really excited, and I feel really happy, and I feel like I could do anything. And I also am wearing my lemon earrings, which makes me feel really happy because we're talking about lemon. All right, so let's get into it. Oh, another way that I could describe this to you as well would be lemon zest. Have you ever taken the lemon and you've zested it with like a cheese grater, or hopefully a zester, over a dish, a pasta dish, or dessert like a lemon cream pound cake, and you've zested the lemon? This is making me hungry. Also, another great use for your lemon essential oil would be to add flavor to one of your favorite dishes that requires lemon, okay? Like lemonade, or I don't know, lemon cream pound cake. Sounds so good. You just need to add a drop, like absolutely amazing. So this is one of doTERRA's oils that you can take internally. Again, we're going to check, it has a supplement facts on the back. And so it lets us know that we can take this internally, and it says for internal use, dilute 1 drop in 4 fluid ounces of water. So to start my day off in the morning, it says great. Lemon is great as a natural detoxifier for the body. Citrus oils in general are great for that. So glass of water in the morning, wake up, and I do this before I even have my coffee. I know, you're like thinking like that's crazy, and it is, but it's actually completely changed my diet, my digestive tract. It just gets everything moving in the morning, if you know what I mean. So 1 drop, boom, oh, I did 2, it's okay. In a glass of water. That is so good. Is one of my favorite ways that you can use lemon oil. You can use it for flavoring in cooking like we just talked about. It's also really good for kidney stones or gallstones as like a natural homeopathic way to help along with whatever else the doctor has told you to do. Another way to use it is going to be for runny nose or seasonal allergies. Just taking it just like that, touch the tip and apply to the nose. And that is going to be wonderful for a runny nose, mucus. You can also couple it with Breathe essential oil and apply that to the chest to help with that congestion, breaking down some of that mucus, putting it in a roller bottle and rolling it around the belly, and then up for reflux, reflux or heartburn. So another wonderful way to use it is to help improve concentration. So using lemon oil to improve concentration would be putting it in a diffuser. So here are a couple of my favorite recipes that you can make. Some little like how-to tricks, not how-to, but just some like recipes that you can do to use your oil using lemon essential oil. So one of the best ones, especially during the summer months when we have all the fun things and we're wanting to like go to the pool and like sip margaritas by the pool, and then we have the mosquitoes that won't leave us alone, or you have like those bees or wasps that are around. Anyways, having a bug bite stick. So this is a really easy recipe you can make. Just grab yourself a roller bottle. You should have these on hand by now. Get them at Amazon and drop in 10 drops of lemon essential oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. And you're gonna fill the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. And again, I like to use fractionated coconut oil because it's just the perfect carrier oil. It's really easy to use. You can get this from doTERRA's website, and it just works seamlessly with the oils. It's odorless, it's tasteless, it's perfect. So put it all inside your roller bottle, shake it up, and then you can roll it wherever those pesky little bugs decided to bite you or decided to sting you. Okay, so wonderful natural antihistamine. These three together, lemon, lavender, peppermint, work wonderful as nature's antihistamine. So for those seasonal threats, so seasonal allergies, the things and bees and bugs and things that come with this season of summer, where we are loving to smell our lemon and be outside and have fun, but this just is a way that you can keep the bugs at bay. No, I was just trying to rhyme, but this doesn't keep the bugs away. This just helps when they do bite you. So having a bug bite stick, we have these like all over our house in the summertime. Kids step on an anthill, bug bite stick. Someone gets stung by a bee, bug bite stick. Again, if you are allergic to that, like this does not take the place of going to a doctor and doing the things that you need to do. But as just a simple, natural, do-it-yourself at home homeopathic way of dealing with it, this is excellent. Also, doing 10 drops of lemon and 10 drops of peppermint in a roller bottle, different roller bottle, filling the rest with fractionated coconut oil. You can make a concentration blend, help improve concentration for your kiddos, for yourself. You can also diffuse it in a room where people are going to be studying, or if you're going to be batching content, or if you're working from home and you're just having a hard time concentrating. Lemon and peppermint or lemon and rosemary will be your best friend. Also, lemon and rosemary in a diffuser smells amazing, like you have been cooking in the kitchen all day and you haven't. Sometimes I just do it for fun when my husband gets home and he's like, oh my gosh, what did you make? It smells amazing in here. And I'm like, nothing. I literally made nothing. We're gonna do takeout, but that's the diffuser. Yes, trust me, it smells that good. All right, another great use for lemon essential oil is going to be as a natural goof off to get rid of those sticky, tacky stickers that come with every single IKEA plate and chair and everything, and you just want to get it off. Or Target and the bottoms of the mugs that are so cute. Or, you know, when the election's over and your person didn't win and you want to get that bumper sticker off the back of your car, lemon essential oil. Just drop a couple of drops, rub it off with a paper towel or a sponge or something, and voila, shiny and clean, and it smells good, and it makes you feel happy. And then another great use for lemon is going to be to use it for varicose veins. So if varicose veins run in your family, or if you are just dealing with them, or if you know somebody that is dealing with them, as well as edema. This works really good for both, this recipe. You're going to get a cup of sugar, you're going to get a cup of fractionated coconut oil, and you're going to do 10 drops of lemon and 10 drops of cypress. And you can even throw in a couple of drops of grapefruit essential oil in there too if you want. And put that all together, mix it together in a bowl, keep it in your shower, scrub yourself on your legs, or have someone scrub you if you're pregnant and you're dealing with edema. And this will just help with all of that. Like the varicose veins, the edema, the make your skin just feel really good. Wonderful for all those things. So again, another little tip, especially for the summer months when we're breaking out the shorts and our feet are swelling or our varicose veins are showing, because we're humans and we're real and there's no filter for real life, right? And then last but not least, actually there's like a million other uses for it, but for the rest of this video to be done. Last but not least, lemon oil to take you from feeling mindless to feeling excited emotionally. So, lemon, your new best friend. All right, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content coming directly to your YouTube. Thanks you guys for watching. Remember, you just have to open that bottle.